In Indonesia, some of the most popular recreational activities are playing badminton, playing soccer, and riding bicycles because they are fun and affordable. Indonesians usually do these activities with friends, schoolmates, neighbors, or in local community groups. And to enjoy them, they need some basic skills along with the equipment such as badminton rackets and shuttlecocks, a soccer ball, and comfortable shoes, or a bicycle and safety gear for cycling. These activities are commonly done in public fields, sports halls, empty lots, city parks, or village roads. And they started gaining widespread popularity in the early 2000s as people became more interested in outdoor, healthy, and social ways to spend their free time. Thank you.